Welcome to Perfectamundo, home of the Crystal Dome, where our solar panels turn the sun into energy to heat our homes and power our buildings. Just like this factory you're looking to open. With our permission, of course.
Of course, Mayor. Perfectamundo is a simply marvelous cyber site. In fact, it's particularly Perfectamundo for my brand new business.
Which is what, exactly? We don't allow industries that could pollute our site.
Understood. All I want to do is make soup delicious and nutritious and ultra-vicious. I made a test batch before you got here.
Smells good. May I try some?
Well, of course. Buzz, soup for my newfound friend.
Right away, boss.
Bottoms up.
Yummy!
Permit granted. Waldo?
Sign here, Mr. Greenface.
Waldo, why were you so mean to Mr. Hacker?
I don't know. Something just came over me.
Well, if it ever comes over you again, cover it up!
Nope. Just another old friend.
How did you do it, motherboard hacker?
She'll be back shortly, my little cyber turkey. It's Solaria you need to worry about. I'm about to reformat it into nothing more than bits and bytes of cyber code.
You can't do that.
Oh, yes, I can.
Behold, the latest and greatest invention from the hacker, the Reconfiguratron.
Oh my gosh!
Isn't it? From beautiful to binary in a matter of seconds. Imagine what it will do to the rest of Solaria. It will test the brain power of all you Earth brats. And cyber brats, too.
Once you arrive at Solaria, you'll have
Not
exactly 3 hours to disarm the Reconfiguratron.
Somewhere else. Look, do you think my mum looks pretty? Captain Howdy. Later. Mom, what's happening? Doctor, things have gotten worse since I called. I'll make it stop.
It could be stress.
Did you f***ing see her or not?
I'll be honest, she needs an exorcist.
Father, you can do it. No, I need church approval, but I can see her as a clown. Hello.
Wow, a cyber amusement park.
Totally cool. Our fair city. But why are we here?
I don't know. Motherboard's virus kicked in before she could finish telling me.
Mother B!
I'm back.
What's our mission, Motherboard?
Digit is really in danger. Games you're playing, not fair.
What games?
Find them. Find Digit. Find Digit.
She's gone again!
How's it looking, Raz?
Excellent, Matt! This could be the grandest grand opening ever!
Here we go, Raz! more Digifizz!
I think it's awesome that you invented a toy that looks just like Digit. Well, Digit's always been my hero. I wanted to do something special for him.
You gotta love this, kid!
And now you're in business together. How cool is that?
Yep, it's gonna be great! Right, partner?
Right, partner. Welcome, guys. Allow me to demonstrate the amazing Digifizz.
So, what do you think? You like Digifizz? Freeze, kid!
Home run, guys! Everyone loves it!
And this is just the beginning. When word gets out, the demand will multiply. You think so? For sure. If just these 10 kids tell 10 friends each, that's 10 times 10. Or 100 kids wanting Digifizz. And it could be even more. Imagine if those 100 kids each tell 10 more. That's 100 times 10. Or 1,000 Digifizz fans.
From 10 to 1,000 in 2 short steps! Just like that!
It's called the multiplier effect. Multiplying numbers together makes the product grow really large, really fast. We better make more Digifizz.
What's next on the list, Waldo? Give a speech, write a memo, meet the press?
It's time to inspect the dome.
Up we go! Mm-hmm. Spotless here, spotless there, spotless, spotless everywhere.
What's this?
Unacceptable! More spots like this could block the sun, and we can't have that. We must keep our dome clean. Perfect!
Chainsaw.